Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials in place. A capture card rated for 1080p 60 or 4K pass-through, and a USB 3.0 port on your PC. Plug one HDMI from the Xbox Series X into the capture card in, and another HDMI from the card OUT to your TV. Next, attach the capture card to your PC and install drivers. This establishes the USB video link. Once done, power on the capture card utility so the device is recognized before moving on to software setup. You now configure both the console and capture software. On the Xbox, turn off Auto HDR and choose 1080p at 60Hz if your card or stream targets 1080p. This prevents color and black screen issues. Then open OBS or your capture app and add the capture card as a video source. Set the source to the card's native input, choose 1920x 1080 and 60 FPS, and route game audio to the same device. Finally, set your encoder and upload bitrate to match your PC and network capabilities. You finish by running a test recording and a short stream to verify everything works. Watch for latency, frame drops, and audio sync so you can tweak settings. If performance is poor, lower resolution or bitrate, or switch to a hardware encoder to reduce CPU load. And if you hit a black screen or no signal, the key troubleshooting tip is to check the HDMI handshake. Disable HDR on the Xbox, update the capture card firmware, and try a different USB 3.0 port or cable to restore the link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.